You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 9. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2x from both sides. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 6/(-1). Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 9.